Edo Governor Okpegolo's security squad don't start hunt for cult leaders and kidnappers as them don already gbab over 20 people for first operation for Benin. The governor set up the security squad sake of the recent killings for Edo State, as in yarn say the killings must stop. That's now why they constitute the special squad. The squad will be Operation Flush Out Kidnappers and Cultists start operation on Tuesday, and they gbab some persons as them begin comb the length and breadth of the city of Benin to ensure say it is safe for Edo people. The raid wey shele on Tuesday, July 15, 2025, touched notorious areas like Isiho, Igwosa, Oluku and Lagos Street. As they waka the area, them see drugs, dangerous weapons, among others. One member of the Edo State Special Security Squad against cultism and kidnapping, John Adewale Esekaigbe, come hail the governor say this move na correct step to bring back peace for Edo. He come here and say the governor not dey joke, he won't end all the yamayama things wey dey shele for the state. Cultist talk say the squad not just dey focus on cultists, but also they pursue kidnappers, drug sellers and armed robbers, and say all na to make sure say Benin City go dey safe for everybody and for people wey want invest.
Let me first of all commend the Executive Governor of Edo State. It shows that he's caring and endearing. It shows that, precisely speaking, is a man that is particularly given to peace and against conflict. We have seen the spate of killing in Edo State, and he took it upon himself to announce to the world, to announce to Edolites, to announce to everyone that the killing should stop, must stop, and it will stop. So we unleashed this special task force against cultism and kidnapping. And today is our first instance to the street, and we made a lot of arrests, a lot of endearing and emboldening arrests. And you can see for yourself, like you, the pressman, you notice what we have done all the way from Ugbowo down to town. They are all in the vehicles, the arrests we've made, the drugs we took, the ammunition we took, and everything we have taken. I think this is coming to stay, and we'll particularly make sure it stands.
Other members of the committee, Eribo Ewanta and Idemudia Noah, come here and say the hotel where them seal for Isiho not be to winch hunt anybody, say them just want to know why the hotel they act like that for cultists and criminals, and say the governor not they play at all, say he really want clean Edo State and stop all these killings where they spoil the state's name.
It's not all about cultism. We're also looking for drug addicts and drug peddlers. We're also looking for kidnappers, and they are all interrelated. You can smell where your mother sell onions and your father sell garlic. They are all interrelated. So we have to make Benin City safe for us once again. I grew up in this town, and I'm still in this town. Until recently, he became something else. So we have to clean the streets of all social vices. Whether cultism, armed robbery, kidnapping, the governor has said enough is enough, and it's time to make Benin safe. The reason for the sealing is just to invite the proprietor of that hotel to come to the government house, and they've been intel from security operatives for them to come and explain their own parts, because when we got there it was like a hideout and a place for drug peddling and so many other. So all you need to do is come out and say, this is my hotel, this is what is happening around. It's not something personal.
The exercise that we just witnessed in Edo State has shown to everybody, all meaningful citizens of Edo State, that the governor is pained of this unreasonable act of killing, cultism and insecurity in Edo State. And for that reason, he has mandated everybody, not just this team alone, but the general public. So if you see something, please say something. All meaningful Edo citizens, it's no longer time to hide secrets or be afraid of these persons. They are human beings like us. We thank the Executive Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpewolo, for giving this opportunity, because he treated this issue with mercy. And I believe that's why everybody, we are all gathered here to join him in this battle. The governor has said enough is enough to criminality. So we all have, together, we join the governor to say enough is enough.
The special squad gets members from the military, police, civil defense, NLCDC, and other security bodies. Hunters, vigilantes, and even former cultists also join body to help run the mission well. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Carter Ojisoli, TMC News.